Yeah, I think this segues really well into another scenario that we both see pretty regularly and is very connected, where the owner of the home, usually the owner of the sober home, is going to rent their personal rent dwelling policy, one of their rental properties, to the sober home. So they'll have a house on 123 Main Street, and they'll say, well, I own this house, I'm going to rent it to the sober home. And then they'll have the sober home go get insurance. But they won't turn around and then tell the company that is insuring the rental property on 123 Main Street that they're renting to a sober home. Have you seen that one?
Absolutely. Yeah. We had a situation exactly that. And once the carrier who was carrying the homeowner's insurance under, Jim Smith's name found out they were renting to a business, they automatically send them a non-renewal notice because it's like, we don't want to insure rental properties who are housing a business. A lot of times that mix does not work well, or carriers don't like that. And then again, especially if they do lease it to a business, they start getting very restrictive when they find out what type of business it is they're leasing to. They're not just leasing to a house with 5 roommates. They're, which is kind of what a lot of people think. They're leasing to a house of people who are in recovery, sober living, whatever the case may be. And so again, that starts throwing up some red flags to some carriers, especially carriers who insured housing in personal names. They do not want to insure the renter who